Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of avatar on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of avatar on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. After that, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Snapchat and you will click here in this page. Then this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.